My A1C is in half now. It's like 6.5 the last time I went in. I'm getting closer and closer to not having it. I finally got down to the point where I was just taking like maybe 15 units of insulin, and she thought that was pretty good. I weighed about 230 pounds and I am under 180. I'm like 178 now. And so I've lost quite a bit of weight this year and I want to lose about 20 more pounds. So I'm going to work on that just with the exercise and eating so that I'm, not dying. I've been diagnosed with diabetes since I was 46, and I've really just been going from doctor to doctor to doctor and getting more and more medication added, and more symptoms, and not really feeling like my diabetes was being taken care of. I didn't feel like anybody was helping me with it. So I just kind of plogged along with whatever the doctors told me to do, and I tried different things. I tried keto, I tried Mediterranean. I tried everything trying to get into better health, and my A1C was 14 or higher. I went to an endocrinologist and they put me on insulin then, and I was taking 30 units of insulin, and then I was on metformin, and it was really getting kind of crazy, and I was sad that I was on insulin. And I just happened to start watching Cyrus's videos on YouTube and the Mastering Diabetes, and I watched several of those, and I had already been listening to Jason Fung, and a lot of his stuff made sense, but then I just happened across Cyrus on YouTube and he made more sense. And then I saw some with Robbie, and I was very impressed with both of them and with their stories. And I ordered the book, and I just decided that I was going to try to read the book and follow it. And then I actually saw a video where Robbie was talking about the Mastering Diabetes program, and I was like, wow. And so I did. I went to that, and my endocrinologist had put me on. I finally got down to the point where I was just taking like maybe 15 units of insulin, and she thought that was pretty good. But when I saw that thing with Robbie on the Mastering Diabetes, I decided to join the group meetings and the group counseling, and that made a big difference in my life, honestly. And I started eating plant-based and eliminating fats and dairy and sugar, and my A1C is in half now. It's like 6.5 the last time I went in. I'm getting closer and closer to not having it. And my medicine, I'm completely taken off of insulin. The doctor goes, wow, you don't need the insulin. And I was taking metformin and the cholesterol medicine, and then just working the program and staying in the green light and a little bit in the yellow, but mostly in the green light categories. I worked myself to the point where I'm off medicine completely. And she had put me on Manjaro, and I took that for a little while. And then I said, I really think I can do this without med. And she said, well, let's try it. And so that's what we did. We went without. So I worked myself completely off meds, increased my exercise, and just really have been successful in this program. And I feel like it worked for me. I changed everything, and I'm traveling and doing stuff. I'm retired, but I still work as a consultant. And this whole thing is just a mindset of making it work in your life. And that's what I've done. And it's really successful. It has been, and I'm really pleased. And I'm almost at the end of the program, of my time in the program. But, I'm not worried about it because I feel like I have the tools now to continue living this lifestyle and being successful with it. So, and I think one of the biggest benefits is I weighed about 230 pounds and I am under 180. I'm like 178 now. And so I've lost quite a bit of weight this year, and I want to lose about 20 more pounds. So I'm going to work on that just with the exercise and eating so that I'm, not dying. It's well worth everything I've been through to get to this point, and I feel wonderful. I really do. I feel healthy for the first time in many, many, many years, and so that's a bonus. Energy, everything I've had to, I just told Marco, I said, gosh, Marco, I'm gonna have to give half my closet away because I was trying on outfits for a trip I'm getting ready, and they're huge on it. So mastering diabetes has really impacted my life to the point where I'm so grateful that I found it. And kudos to all you all for all the help that you've done and all the emails I get and all the education that you provide, and all that has just been wonderful. And I really appreciate it. It has gone down to the point where it's much better. I'm still a little high, but she felt like that would improve as I lost more weight. And I think this time when I go in, that it's my A1C is going to be even lower. I have my appointment in a month, and my A1C and my cholesterol will be down. I really like making soups and things like that, and stir fries. And I was telling Marco today on our group chat that I have been making some smoothies that I've enjoyed, and I make a baked oatmeal that I do, and I put it in my air fryer and make a granola out of it to travel with. And so, yeah, just experimenting with all the different things. And I live in Texas, so Tex-Mex is a big thing down here, and Mexican food. So, I do tacos with beans and lots of vegetables and salsa on it. And I love that, and I don't miss the cheese, and I don't miss all the other fattening things or meat. I really haven't missed meat. I'm surprised. So it's just, like I said, a whole mindset that you can eat and enjoy it. I don't have to have a lot of salt now, and I don't have to have all the sauces and stuff on it. It's just really good, simple food. I'm enjoying that. Well, I think you have to look at, if you want to continue and just get by with your diabetes as you go along, your medicine will increase and your numbers will increase, and it's not going to get better. It affects your whole system. Your whole body is impacted. And the older you get and the longer you have because I've had it since I'm 46 and I'm 68 now. And so I've had it a long time, and it just got increasingly worse. But the quality of life that I've gotten from following the Mastering Diabetes program has just impacted me to the point where I'm so happy now and so healthy and just grateful. I feel like everybody can do this program with the right mindset, and that it really does make a difference in your life.